So welcome students. So in this question, it's given that a firm at present manufactures 2000 items, and if it hires X number of additional employees, the rate of change of production with the additional number of employees is given by 100 minus 12 root x. So if this is the differential equation which is being satisfied, so what is the production when 25 additional workers are hired? That's the question. So again, this is a basic differential equations question. First we'll try to solve this. So dp by dx is equal to this. So dp is equal to 100 minus 12 root x dx, variable separable. So I'll integrate it on both sides. So you can integrate it using definite integration, where the production P initially when x is equal to 0, that is additional number of workers is 0. When additional numbers of workers is 0, the production is 2000, and the production is going to P. The production is going to P when the additional number of workers is 25. So if I directly want the answer, if I solve this definite integral, I'll directly get the answer. This is the production at 25. So 2000 to production at 25 is equal to integration. When the production is 2000, you have 0 additional number of workers. At P is equal to 25, you have 25 additional number of workers. So this implies, if you integrate this, production at 25 minus 2000 is equal to, the integration is 100x, 100 times x. If I apply the limits, you get 25 minus 0 minus 12 times root x. Integration is x power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2, going from 0 to 25. That is equal to 2500 minus 4s are, so it become 8 times 25 power 3 by 2. So this 5 square whole power 3 by 2, that is 5 cube, 125. That is equal to 125 into 8. So 125 into 4 is 500. So 125 into 8 is 1000. So 2500 minus 1000 is equal to 1500. So the production after hiring 25 additional number of workers will be equal to 2000 plus 1500, that is 3500. Thank you.